Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Binance. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, first open up your app store and make sure you have simply installed your particular Binance app on your phone. Check it out, and if you haven't, make sure to install it. And as you can see, we have already done. We're going to tap on open right away, and from over here tap on this option of sign up now. Add in your email, use strong password, add in the password, tap on this, tap on register, save password. Now you're gonna simply see you have received a verification code. Paste the code right over here, and now simply choose your country from there. Once you've added your number, you will get an SMS. The number, go ahead, enter the code as we did from our email. Once you have added that and confirmed and verified, you will be able to create yourself an account and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.